Hey all, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. I'm just going to share with you my study desk setup where I get productive for schoolwork or just editing some videos that I have to work on. So let's just get started. So we'll start with my chair, and on my chair I just have this shawl that I got just to keep me warm because my study area is in the basement and the basement can get pretty cold. Sitting for a while on this chair just gets my butt cheeks numb, and this pillow just helps keep me comfortable throughout my study sessions. Now below my desk, again, being that it's so cold in the basement, I just keep my warming heater on the side, my trash can on the other side, so that I don't have to get up every time to trash whatever I have in another trash can. It's just handy for me. Moving on top of my desk, I keep a bunch of my fashion styling books. If you don't know, aside from doing nursing, I also do fashion styling on Instagram. I actually don't read these books and I just have them here for decor. I just think they're so pretty and they make me look studious, if that's a thing. And right on top of them, I have my calculator in case I have to calculate any medication dosages or whatever question that requires calculation. Next to it is this composition book looking iPad case that I use when I want to take some handwritten notes on my iPad. Next to it is my motivational water bottle. I suck at drinking water, so this bottle keeps me in check. What I do, I usually fill it up the night before the day starts so that when I wake up, I just have it by my nightstand. Okay, next to my fashion books, I have this nursing drug reference book that I use to just check up any medications that I'm not sure of. This is like the nursing Bible, the nursing dictionary for drugs. Right in front of it is my iPad that I just have it sitting on this magic keyboard. Right behind it, I have my Alexa. Alexa just checks tabs for me, sets my reminders, sets my to-do list. If I forget something, I just tell Alexa to jot it down. And most importantly is playing my study mode music.
Study mode from Apple Music.
Next to my Alexa is my Blue Yeti microphone that I use to make voiceovers just like this ones as I'm talking to you guys right now. Okay, now above my table, I just have this framed wall art. My planners and notebooks just to jot down any little detail that I just want to quickly jot down because sometimes I just want to write things down, you know. And of course, I have a cup full of pens and my Apple Pencil, my glass cleaner, and my lubricating eye drops that I use after hours of staring on my computers doing assignments. And this just eliminates dryness in my eyes and just soothes plus revives my overworked eyes from screen time. Then on my lamp station, I just have my pack of tissues and gum. Also, my glass/camera cloth to just clean the lenses. And finally, I have my camera lens cap. And this is just my lamp. I love this lamp so much because it has 4 different setups that you can use depending on the mood you want to set. It has the reading mode, the study, the relax, and the sleep mode. As you can see, this is all the different setups that it just gives you, and it just tints the light to whatever mode you chose. You can also dim it however you want. Moving on to the right side of my desk, I keep my laptop bag/iPad bag that I just use to carry my iPad and laptop when I'm required to have it with me when I'm out. This pouch is just my accessory pouch that I love so much, so much. It just keeps all my accessory cables organized. It also has my hard drive and my power bank. I got everything here from Amazon and I'm gonna link everything down. This has to be my holy grail item I have around my study area. This bad boy right here will just massage me at the end of a long day. This is me just turning it on. It has all these modes that you can set it up to. Right now it's red inside because I set the heating on. You can set it anti-clockwise or clockwise. You can increase or decrease the intensity of it massaging you. And lastly, you can turn the heat on and off if you don't want the heat per se, but it's just very comfortable when I'm using it and I love it so much. And yeah, that's it for my desk tour. This is not the most aesthetically pleasing setup, but it works for me regardless. I keep it very simple. I hate a cluttered environment when I want to be productive and creative at the same time. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I gave you some inspo, but I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.